Hi, I'm Matt with DigitalMonkeySchool, and welcome to another Shortform module using Voxatron by Lexilawful. So in this module, we're going to look at using fonts. So if you go into your Objects folder, or Objects tab, you'll see a folder called Fonts. And there's two fonts in here that come by default. You can also make your own font. So if you click on the pencil tool to edit, you can see that there's settings in here, and also if you double click on it, you can see here's all the fonts that were drawn. So you can also make your own fonts. And the letter down below, which you can modify here, that sets what letter that you type in the alphabet on your keyboard will later create this letter that you see here. And notice how these are all capitals, so you're going to want to, at least for the default ones, if you use them, you're going to want to use the caps lock key probably when you're typing out your text. So let's go back up here and make sure we have the one we want. So I'm going to go with tiny font, and in order to make it the one that you want work, you just have to make sure this default font is checked. You can also change the spacing vertically and horizontally of your text. So let's go back to the room, and if you look at the room size, it's 128 by 128 by 64. 64 is the height. So we're going to want to probably make our font, our text, about the size of the room, at least for this demonstration. So I'm going to go back up, and I'm going to create a new object, and I'm going to set it to 128 by 128 by 1, because it doesn't need to be tall. And one of the things you have to do before you start typing is you want to pick a color. So make sure that you don't have this X, because if you have the X selected, it's not going to type anything, and then that might be confusing. So we'll just go with red. And to bring up the area where you would type what you want, you're going to press escape. And then, like I was saying before, you're going to want to type, press the caps lock key. And so this way, when we start typing, it'll correlate to the font package in here. So the first thing you type is you hold down the shift key and you press the number 2, which gives you the @ sign, and then that lets the Voxatron know that you want to type something. So I'm going to start typing Digital Monkey. So there you go. I have Digital Monkey in there, and if I look around, it's all in voxels, and I can later modify this too once I get out of here. So if I wanted to add more, I can just do that again. I'll just @ sign and DigitalMonkeySchool. And so to get out of here, once you're finished, make sure to press caps lock again, and then press the escape key to get out of that window. And now once you're back here, you can select the text. You can move it around with the arrow keys just like it's a regular object in Voxatron. And that's the end of the introduction to using fonts. Thank you for watching.